So is this a trinomial square? If it is, then factor it. Okay, so we're going to factor this. First of all, I have how many terms? 1, 2, 3. And we're noticing right off that the first terms and the last terms are those square numbers, aren't they? This is an x times an x, and 25 is 5 times 5. So the first and last terms are squares. Is this the perfect number for the middle? Well, what would you run and write for x squared? You want to write an x, and for 25 we said 5 times 5, didn't we? All right, but do I get 10? That's the question. Is this the right number to make this a perfect square? Well, the outside terms are x and 5. The inside terms are 5 and x. Multiply them, you get 5x. The outside terms, x and 5, give you another 5x. And when you add them, then indeed this smiled at me because these are the perfect numbers, aren't they? Okay? If it had been 11, if they said, hey, factor that with an 11, then you say, no, it didn't smile at me. But right now, it did. So I will write x plus 5 written how many times? 2 times. So the trinomial made up of x squared, 10x, and 25 becomes a perfect square whose sides are x plus 5 times x plus 5.